This package was just coming in these days. It contains this box of an iOmega Clik drive, a 1999 micro storage device for PC and handheld devices. This box was sold here in Switzerland and still has the original price tag on it. A whopping 549 Swiss francs was asked for it by The Portable Shop, a local retailer that went ultimately defunct in 2010. The box comes complete with a software CD-ROM and the user's manual. Though, when digging in further, I totally didn't expect to find this. Here's the PC drive, which is supposed to be connected to the parallel port as far as I can tell. And look, it's still foil wrapped. Also, the PCM CIA adapter is still all sealed up. Likewise, the battery and all the other components. The box even contained a pristine carrying pouch and one Clik medium, which could store up to 40 MB of data. I initially wanted to make a video about this, but firstly, LGR already did that a few years ago, and secondly, I'm somewhat hesitant to open it up with all parts still in the original factory sealed condition. What do you think about it? Leave it as is or open it up and make a report about it? Let me know in the comments below. I'm the Vintage Collector and this was my quick patch up for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.